In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily rotate a video on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off you need to open up Photos app and then just search for a video you would like to rotate. Here I got one. Once you find a video, just tap on it to open it up. Once it is done, hit right here at Edit, and then down below tap at Crop. After that, we can easily, by hitting at that button, rotate our video by 90 degrees counterclockwise each time we tap right here at that button. Just like that. To save the changes, hit at Done. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.